A variable has a symbolic name and can be given a variety of values. Variables are located in particular places in the computer's memory. When a variable is given a value, that value is actually placed in the memory space assigned to the variable. Most popular languages use the same general variable types, such as integers, floating point numbers, and characters. The keyword int signals the type of variable. These statements, which are called declarations, must terminate with the semicolon. You must declare a variable before using it. The names given to variables are called identifiers. You can't use the C++ keyword as a variable name. A keyword is a predefined word with a special meaning. Int, class, if, and while are examples of keywords. The number 20 is an integer constant. Constants don't change during the course of the program. An integer constant consists of numerical digits. There must be no decimal point in an integer constant. In the second program line shown here, the plus sign, plus, adds the value of var1 and 10, in which 10 is another constant. The result of this addition is then assigned to var2. Floats have both an integer part, to the left of the decimal point, and a fractional part, to the right. There are three kinds of floating point variables in C++, type float, type double, and type long double. The following example program prompts the user to type in a floating point number representing the radius of a circle. It then calculates and displays the circle's area. The letter F following the value of the variable pi denotes that the variable is of type float, which is not compulsory.